Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our question is, what is compassion? To understand compassion, we must first understand what is suffering. Anybody can understand suffering very easily because human beings are suffering like anything. They are under poverty. We have faced with wars. Everybody can understand the pain of wars. War is the highest kind of suffering. So, is there anything opposite to suffering? That is compassion. It is said that Lord Buddha taught compassion throughout his life. Then what is the need of compassion? It is said that compassion is the highest form of intelligence. It is a shock for the human mind. We always think that we cannot be compassionate. So to have a full understanding, once again we must observe the existence. Why we are telling this? Because we are the part of the existence. As far as the existence is concerned, who has created this creation? It does not have any meaning. The human mind needs answers for everything because we have lots of questions. Our mind functions on the basis of cause and effect, but there are aspects of life which are causeless and effectless. Who has created time? Who has created space? Who has created all these requirements for human beings? These are all unanswered questions. So, existence is causeless. So, we can learn compassion from the existence. It is always giving and giving, but only we are asking why it is so. Because without getting any benefit, we don't act. It seems that without getting a benefit, we don't act at all. It is not our habit. So for anything, we need a cause. Cause and effect are created by the human mind. In existence, there is no such underlying principle. The underlying principle of the existence is beyond cause and effect. The highest form of intelligence is for that. We have to explore, we can be compassionate or not. Human mind can be compassionate. Only we have to answer this question to ourselves. No need to answer this question outwardly. But it is said that human mind has enormous capacity. Not only mind, human brain has enormous capacity. It is very much evident that brain has infinite capacity. Only we are not using it. So, by observing the existence, our intelligence is awakened. When the intelligence is awakened, the human beings can become compassionate. We can be compassionate with small things. It is quite possible. If we observe life, sometimes our mind becomes compassionate. We don't expect anything and we do something. So it indicates that one can become compassionate very easily. To be compassionate, we must be meditative. What kind of meditation is this? Simply to observe. Go on observing the existence. All the things have been created. Then we ask why all these kind of things are created. Who is asking? We are also the part of the existence. So asking like who has created this existence does not mean anything. Simply we are to accept the things. Because everything has been already made. Nothing to be added. Compassion is a shock to the human mind. we always question. We may think that compassion is imaginary, but it can be practical. Observing the children, observing the trees, observing the animals, one can be compassionate. Even animals help the human beings. Why they are doing? What is the purpose? There is no purpose at all. People are killing the animals, but it has been found that animals are helping human beings. Similarly, the whole existence, the trees are helping the human beings. In return, what we are going to give the trees? It is a simple fact. Air is helping us, the trees are helping us. All the things that are existing here are helping us. So we can understand very easily that compassion is possible. Compassion is the highest form of spirituality. That's why human mind is inwardly attracted towards that. So life is mysterious because of compassion. Had there been no compassion, life loses its meaning. What for we are living here? Everybody needs love. Love is a form of compassion. Everybody can understand what is love. Spirituality is the only place where one can be compassionate. So compassion is possible in our day-to-day life. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video describing another one aspect of life.